Hello, I'm Mike Vrobel from DadCooksDinner.com, and this is my unboxing of the Instant Pot Ultra. Well, phooey. Things didn't go according to plan. I've been using this pot for a couple months now, so here is my review of the Instant Pot Ultra. The Ultra's biggest strength is it's an Instant Pot. It has some fancy new features built on top of the basic Instant Pot design. There's a new quick-release system on the lid, there's a fancy new digital display, and there's a control knob that replaces almost all of the buttons. My favorite new feature is the redesigned pressure valve on the lid. The old valve, that you would twist to open and close, was replaced with a new push-button system. Push to open, flip to close. This keeps your hand away from that super hot steam that shoots out when you release pressure. The pressure release valve is controlled by that little tab and a spring. When you push, it pops up the pressure valve and the pressure is released. When you twist, the pressure valve drops into place and closes the vent. What makes this my favorite feature? It's also built into the twisting of the lid. When you turn the lid to open or close the pot, the pressure valve is automatically dropped into closed position. This means you can't accidentally leave the pressure valve open when you start pressure cooking. The pot automatically closes it for you. Not that I've ever made the mistake of leaving that valve open and come back into the kitchen a few minutes later wondering, what's all that hissing noise? The other nice feature is the huge digital display on the front. I love the heating curve shown on the bottom of the screen. It makes it much easier to tell where you are in the cooking process. Preheating, cooking, which usually for me means under pressure, and finally keep warm mode, when the pressure is releasing, or when you're just letting things sit and stay warm. So I'm thinking, this thing is great. The Ultra is my new favorite Instant Pot. And then I started to use it as my daily pressure cooker. And I had to deal with the knob. I love the way it feels. It's got a nice spin to it. But they had to change the user interface for it. And things that used to take one button push now take a couple pushes of the knob, a couple spins of the knob, and a start button. The Ultra doesn't have the push button simplicity of the Duo Plus, but I got used to the new interface. What I couldn't adjust to is how twitchy that knob is. No matter how carefully I use it, it jumps all over the place. Watch as I try to set the cooking time to 4 minutes. Jump, jump, jump. Wrong way. Carefully now. And got it. This was my first day with the cooker, but it hasn't gotten better after 2 months of use. If I don't turn slowly and deliberately, one click at a time, it jumps all over the place. I really wanted to love this pressure cooker. The display is great, and that lid with its new quick release is amazing. And it's a really good pressure cooker. It's an Instant Pot. But the control knob was just too frustrating to use. I switched back to the simplicity of my Duo Plus and its reliable push buttons. This is Mike Vrobel from DadCooksDinner.com. Thanks for watching.